Meaning of dole.
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 Dole. The word dole has a few different meanings depending on the context. In some cases, it refers to government assistance given to people who are unemployed or in financial need. In other cases, it can refer to the distribution of something, such as a charitable gift or even punishment. Overall, the result of dole is often an outcome that is meant to help those in need or to create a sense of fairness or justice. However, it can also be associated with feelings of shame or dependency, particularly when used to describe government aid programs.